Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install MemTest86 for your Windows 10 or 11. So first you are going to open your browser, any browser that you are using, and then in the search bar you are going to type MemTest86, and then you will find the first and official website, and make sure to use the official website. Then you just access the website here, and then as you can see you will find the download button. You just click here, and here as you can see there is two versions. There is the free one and there is the pro one, the paid one. You are going to click on the free one. You just click here and the download will start, and once it finishes, as you can see, it is a zip file. For me it is already installed, so what are you going to do is to extract that file and continue the installation. There is nothing to change in the default settings, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.